Why is the Indus Valley civilization one of the greatest? And do you know when the first urban settlement appeared in the history? Yes, it was during the Indus Valley civilization. The civilization at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa grew up in the valley of the river Indus, and this is why it is referred as the Indus Valley civilization. It is considered to be one of the largest of the ancient civilization of an urban nature. The town planning in the Indus Valley civilization was very systematic. The city was the heart of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization began around 2500 BC and ended up by 1900 BC. It mainly included the northwestern regions of South Asia, extended from what today is northeast Afghanistan to Pakistan and northwest India. At its peak, the Indus Valley civilization may have had a population of over 5 million. And do you know why is the Indus Valley civilization called a city civilization? Yes, around 2500 BC, the people of the Indus Valley built huge cities including Mohenjo-daro in the south and Harappa in the north. These cities were very well planned. The buildings were constructed with mud bricks. A proper drainage system and water storage system were some of the main features of these cities. Each city was divided into two areas. One area is where the people lived. Houses were arranged in the row along straight streets. Most houses had a well for water in the country yard and hygienic toilets. The city's other half was a walled area containing huge public buildings like granaries, public halls, great bath, etc. Near the granaries were threshing floors where farmers from villages threshed their grains. The other important Indus Valley cities were Lothal, Dolavira, Sutka Gendor, Surkotada, and Banavali. Do you know why it is said that Harappan cities had modern infrastructure? Yes, it was a planned city, is a lit title which even today in modern times many of our cities fail to achieve. But you will be surprised to know that this was achieved by the Harappan cities of the Indus Valley civilization centuries ago. The cities of the Harappa were well planned. Large areas were built with the bricks of the same size and weight. They used kilns to make bricks and used burnt bricks in domestic and public buildings. The main features of Harappan town planning was the granaries or storehouses used to store grains. The Great Bath was the earliest public water tank, and the lower town was the place where common people lived. Harappan streets were straight, and the cities were well known for the drains built on either side of the road. The houses were varied in size, some had more than one story. Houses were built on massive platforms to save them from seasonal floods. The excavations conducted here have revealed that the advanced town planning that characterized the Harappan cities built more than 4000 years ago.